Tired of your AI content getting flagged? Meet Humanio AI, the tool that turns robotic AI text into 100% human writing that passes every AI detector. Without further delay, let's dive in.
Let's go to Google and search for Humanio AI, then click the very first link. I have also provided the link in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Humanio, a tool that humanizes AI text into natural-sounding writing. Whether it's from Claude, Gemini, or any other model, it rewrites robotic-sounding text so it reads 100% human and passes AI detectors like Zero GPT and Originality, while keeping your original meaning intact. The tool has a 4.8 rating out of 5 with more than 1,000 reviews. With Humanio, we can humanize text based on our tone, and from here we can change the writing style standard, high school, college or PhD, and humanize it at any level. We can also paste text directly or upload a PDF file to humanize it, and it will bypass Zero GPT, Turnitin, Originality, and more. It offers 99% humanization accuracy, and more than 50,000 users have used this tool to humanize more than 12 million words. This is not just a synonym swap, it's a real, advanced AI humanizer model that can turn AI content into text that reads like a human wrote it. There are 3 simple steps to turn AI text into human-like text, and the process takes about 3 seconds. First, paste your text drop in content from Claude, ChatGPT, or anywhere else. Then the tool instantly polishes the structure. After that, review the humanized version, tweak a line if needed, and copy it. Now go to the top and click on Get Started. From here, we can continue with our Google account or our Apple account. It's available for both iOS and Google. Once we log in, here on our dashboard, we can see the AI humanized rewritten text and an AI detector to check how human your text sounds. Now let's test this tool with a real example. Click on AI Humanizer. Here we can see, on the right side of the canvas we can paste our draft, and on the left side of the canvas the humanized version appears. In the text bar, I will open ChatGPT and type "write a paragraph about AI in education," then press enter. It starts processing to write the paragraph. Once the paragraph is ready, we copy it and paste it into Humanio. After that, we need to select a writing standard. Here we can find different options like standard, high school, college, and PhD. We will select standard. Then we select a humanization level. From here, we can set it to strong. Once everything is set, click on Humanize. It takes a few seconds to rewrite our draft, so be patient. Once the humanized version is ready, notice that it reads completely differently from the original AI-generated content. That's the beauty of it. On the right side is our original draft. On the left, the humanized version, totally different. This is not the end. Next, click on Check for AI. In this test, our content is marked as 99% human written. Now let's cross-check this text on another platform, like Zero GPT. I will copy the humanized text, open Zero GPT, paste it into the prompt bar, and click on Detect Text. Within a few seconds, the detector marks our text as human written, 0% AI generated in this test. This is the beauty of Humanio. It takes AI generated content and makes it read like it was written by a human. Now let's copy our original AI generated draft, paste it into Zero GPT, and click on Detect Text. It takes a few seconds to process. Once complete, the detector marks our original draft as 100% AI generated. So this confirms that our unedited draft was fully AI generated. But with Humanio, we can convert AI text into human-like text easily and effortlessly. We can also check the AI detector directly inside the platform. Click on AI detector, paste a chunk of GPT-generated text, and click Analyze. The tool analyzes it, and in this test, 97.6% of our text is marked as AI generated. Now we can humanize it. Easily click on Humanize this text. It begins processing to make our text human-like. Once complete, the detector shows our text as fully human written. Using this advanced tool, we can turn AI-generated content into human-like content easily and effortlessly. From now on, say goodbye to expensive tools. Use Humanio to make your content read like it was written by a human. I'll leave the link in the description and pinned comment, so try Humanio for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for more AI tool reviews.